It's me down at warehouse work, and this is Pump Truck Madness.
Pump Truck Madness, this is how we fucking roll in the warehouse. I ain't got this shit. I'm here. That's how we go, baby. I'm so proud, I can get this shit. You gotta see this. Pump Truck Madness. Yeah. That's how we fucking go.
And that's Pump Truck Madness. Oh!